Good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to the channel, my name's Rick. Thanks for riding along. We're being chauffeured courtesy of Tesla Full Self-Driving, version 13.2.8. This version's getting kind of long in the tooth. Hoping we get an update again before the CyberTaxis unveil themselves in Austin. Assuming that's going to be version 14, who knows. Speaking of Austin, Tesla bought back this truck, and while we get all the paperwork worked out, I've been shopping for my next vehicle. Well, after having this, there's no way not to have another Cybertruck. It's absolutely the coolest vehicle on the road. Maybe not the most attractive. It is kind of angular. But despite that, my gosh, the ride, the feel, it's just so much fun. So anyway, after some thinking of what's best to replace this CyberBeast, my only options would be another CyberBeast or a foundation CyberBeast. I pulled that trigger 2 days ago with the incentives Tesla has now, with about $12,000 off. That takes care of all but $8,000 of the Foundation Series hit. Then you get the free supercharging, plus all the other accessories. I had to go with this Foundation Series CyberBeast. So it just keeps getting better. Yesterday I got a text from Tesla inviting me to come to Austin to pick up my truck there at the Gigafactory. This will include a factory tour. I'm sure I'll be having lunch with Elon. But seriously, how cool is that?